Happy Friday, everybody. Guess where I am again? Darren Wright here, underneath another manufactured home. This one has been excessively, can't think of the word, molested. For some reason, there is all new flex duct underneath the house. These things come from the factory with ductwork built in. This all will become a rodent nest and highway throughout the house. And we got some Romex wiring strung across. That will be rodent food. It's already been chewed on. Inside the house, every single wall in the house has been molested. It looks like weird stucco texture on the inside drywall. The things that people do to homes. That's why you need to call the Wright inspector, find out what they did. Have a great weekend, everybody.